Hello folks, Waz here, B&B Audio Concepts, and today we have a Skoda, but a custom edition, which has a built-in amplified system. So most kits don't work in this car. So in this case, original radio, which was high quality, had just failed over the years. So we've now added a KENWOOD 8021 flagship and basically got this done. It's got normal touchscreen, as the usual videos will show. We've got the steering wheel working, so that's good. These things weren't a problem. Getting the heating and so forth on is there. It's kept the parking sensor display, so pretty much everything is pretty good. The only problem we had was audio, because it was amplified. We needed to buy a Pacific setup and code it in, and now it's done. So yeah, nothing too complicated. If something like this interests you, please give us a ring. This unit now comes with a 3-year warranty, and we're part of the KENWOOD Pro scheme. My name is Waz. We are based in Cardiff. Thank you for watching.